everyone, welcome to my channel all about biology, and this is Jyoti Verma. In our previous videos we have discussed about the different parts of the flower. We have discussed the theoretical aspect. Now in this video we are going to see the different parts of the flower. Okay, so as we have discussed earlier that flower is basically a highly condensed and modified shoot, and it basically consists of four important parts. The first one is the calyx, second one is the corolla, third one is the androecium, and the fourth one is the gynoecium. So now we are going to study about the different parts of the flower. So the stalk of the flower basically is called as the pedicel. As you can see in this picture, this is the stalk of the flower and this is called as the pedicel. Okay, now the flower basically consists of four major parts, that is the calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So this one is the calyx of the flower, that yellow one is the corolla of the flower, and the individual unit of the calyx is called as the sepal. So this single one is the sepal. However, the individual unit in the case of corolla is a petal. So the single one is the petal and the whole unit is called as the corolla. In the same way, the whole unit is called as the calyx. However, the single one is called as the sepal. So let me provide you a more clearer view of the flower. So this one is the stalk of the flower, which is called as the pedicel. This one is the calyx. As you can see, this green structure, as you can see, is the calyx of the flower. Okay, and the single unit of it, the single unit is the sepal. This one is the sepal, and the all the five ones are the calyx. Okay, so the whole unit is the calyx and the single unit of it is the sepal. However, the corolla, the whole structure, as you can see, is the corolla and the single unit of it is the petal. Okay, so this single unit is the petal of the flower. Now we are going to open up this flower and now we are going to study about the androecium and the gynoecium. Okay, so I have made a slight cut here with the help of this needle, and now I am going to open up this flower and see how it looks like, what are the structures inside this flower. So as you open up this flower, you can see a kind of structure is there. Okay, as you open up it completely, you can see, okay, you can see how the structures are there. So as we have opened up the flower, you will be able to see the androecium and the gynoecium. So these are the androecium. These yellow ones are the anther of the flower. Okay, these yellow ones are the anther of the flower and these are 5 in number. The yellow one are the anthers, and the small structures, teeny structures which you will be not able to see in this will be the filament of the anther. So the yellow ones are the anther. However, this whole flask shaped structure is the gynoecium of the flower. Okay, so this is the gynoecium of the flower, which basically consists of a central ovary. This is the ovary of the flower. This is the style of the flower, which is very long. This is the style of the flower, and this one is the stigma of the flower. Okay, you will be able to see this is the stigma of the flower. So gynoecium basically consists of 3 basic parts: ovary, style and stigma. Okay, so now I am going to show you the anther very clearly. So first of all, what you have to do is to remove this white structure. Okay, once you remove this white structure, you will be able to clearly see the anthers. Okay, so as I have slightly pulled up these white structures, you will be able to see the anthers very clearly. Once you slightly change the angle of the flower, you will be able to see the anthers very clearly in this portion. So as these yellow structures are the anther of the flower. Okay, these are the anther of the flower, and this one is the filament. You will be not be able to see the filament of the flower because there are very small thin hair like structures present over there, but this yellow structure you will be able to see. This yellow structure is the anther of the flower. The filaments are slightly hidden because there are very small hairy structures present here. Okay, so you will be able to see the anthers very clearly if we zoom. These are the anthers of the flower. And in the central portion of the flower, once you remove all the parts, you will be able to see a gynoecium. So this is the gynoecium that basically consists of three main parts: the basal ovary, the long style, and at the tip it consists of a stigma. So gynoecium basically consists of three parts: ovary, style, and stigma. Okay. Okay, so that is all about the parts of the flower, and in our next video we will be able to discuss about the taxonomy of this flower. This flower is known as Thawazia peruviana, which is also called as Pila Kaner in Hindi. So we will discuss about the taxonomic terms related to this flower in our next video, and if you like the video, just subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you so much.